Welcome to our comprehensive comparison between the TP-Link Archer A653 and WR844N routers. Let's dive into the key specifications across four categories: wireless, security, hardware, and software. Wireless. The Archer A653 supports Wi-Fi standards, providing ACK-1200 speeds with 867 Mbps on the 5Gs band and 300 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band, making it suitable for medium-sized homes. With its four fixed high-performance antennas and advanced features like beamforming and new MIMO, it offers enhanced coverage and efficient communication with multiple devices simultaneously. In contrast, the WR844N operates on Wi-Fi 4 standards, delivering N300 speeds with 300 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band, ideal for smaller spaces, but it features only two fixed antennas. Security. Both routers offer robust security measures such as spy firewall, access control, and IP binding to protect your network from unauthorized access and potential threats. They also support guest network functionality for secure guest access. When it comes to encryption, both routers support WPI, WPAL, WP3, and WPAL, PATWO, enterprise protocols to ensure data privacy and integrity. Hardware. The Archer A653 is powered by a dual-core QPU and features 1 gigabit WAN port and 4 gigabit LAN ports, providing faster data transfer speeds and reliable wired connections. It offers convenient buttons for wired connections. On the other hand, the WR844N comes with a single-core QPU, 110 100 Mbps WAN port, and 410 100 Mbps LAN ports, offering basic connectivity options with fewer features compared to the Archer A653. Software. Both routers support essential protocols like E4 and IP6 and offer quality of service. Quotes. By device for efficient bandwidth management. They provide parental controls, NAT forwarding options, and DSCP server functionalities. However, the Archer A653 introduces on-mesh support, enabling you to create a more flexible network with TP-Link OneMesh products, enhancing coverage and connectivity throughout your home or office. In conclusion, while both routers offer reliable performance and essential features, the TP-Link Archer A653 stands out with its faster Wi-Fi speeds, advanced wireless technologies, additional security options, and OneMesh compatibility, making it a superior choice for users seeking a versatile and high-performance router. Thank you for watching our comparison review. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Stay tuned for our next video.